Good morning, everybody. My name's Nick Dyer. This is my friend and colleague Febi.
Yes.
We're based in Jakarta, Indonesia. We work for a company called PT Inservica Systems. For the past 20 years, we've been installing stone-hard flooring to food and beverage companies, pharmaceutical, etc. We also do chemical densification, basically polishing concrete. But today what we want to talk about is cracks and crack repairing. Often we go to facilities and they've got cracks in their concrete, and it's how to professionally fill those cracks permanently that is a big issue. We've got a great product from Roadwear, and today we're going to demonstrate how we can fix cracks. We've got a core sample here, which we took the other day at a big factory. You can see that they've got hairline crack. It's a bit more than a hairline crack, and the crack penetrates right the way through the 15-inch slab. So the customer wants that repaired professionally, and we're going to demonstrate how we do that using Roadwear's product. Okay, so the next step is that what we've done is we've covered this in clear plastic, so hopefully we'll be able to see the Roadwear product penetrate actually through the crack in real time. The product should cure in 10 minutes. So the next step is we've got to route the crack. So we route the crack. Come on, Feb, you can do route the crack. Okay. Don't blow the dust in the face. Okay, so then you can see we've routed the crack.
Yep.
Okay, so now we've got the gun loaded and the cartridge. What we're going to do is inject this crack. So we just basically, I need my glasses because I'm blind. So we inject the crack.
Yeah.
And it should be going. This product has 30% the viscosity of water, so we just gradually add the material. It should be going all the way down the crack, right the way through. So maybe hopefully you can see that going through.
Yeah.
And we just keep adding until refusal.
Perfect. Yep.
Yeah, it's going down?
Yeah, going down.
That's good, because it's penetrating through. It should go right down to the bottom. How are we doing? Has it got down to the bottom yet? Yeah?
It's middle.
Still in the middle, is it? We might need another cartridge. Takes a bit of time to get down there. Well, it's even come out the bottom, so I think that's a good sign if it's coming out the bottom. You can see there it's come out the bottom, so it's gone right the way through the crack. So we just keep adding a bit. Now we're going to add a little bit of sand. Put a little bit of sand in the surface. can use any silica sand.
BBM ketinggalan. Baru mati.
You see it soaking up that, and then we put a bit more in.
Yeah.
You can see it's even gone into that little crack there, permeates through all the fissures in the concrete. I'll put a little bit more sand in there. I think that's basically got it covered. One more. And it's coming out the bottom, so I think that's done its job. Now we have to wait till that dries for 10 minutes. Right, okay. Excuse the noise. You put the repair, it's gone all the way down pretty much to the bottom. It's actually come out the bottom as we saw earlier. So now that's the surface, and we have to give that a grinding. Grind back off that excess. So let's have a go. That is the end result. So let's go inside. I think that's a pretty good result. Strong permanent repair. Okay, so we've done the repair. I think you'd like to see, I've just wet the surface so you can see the repair. Very strong. And that's a permanent crack repair. So I hope that video was of interest. If you've got any requirements for flooring, polished concrete, crack repair, please contact us, PT in Cervica Systems, here in Jakarta. Thanks very much.